Hello, everybody. Hello, it's me again, una daughter, una friend, Lady JL. And if you know you are not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. And God bless you, people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I want to talk about one thing where they bother me ever since when I just see one video for Facebook, for YouTube, everywhere. So I want really talk about that. So there is one woman we bring a topic say if he get daughter before he come marry, before he want marry this man now, this is fiance. So this man, their marriage na next week. So their marriage na next week. So the man they always they help and they bath her daughter. So one day now, the man dey baff his daughter. Then she just opened the door once. As he opened the door, come meet the man the shoe count for the small pikin. Una know na the shoe count for the bomo. Ha! Now he come catch him. As he catch the man just shock. The man begin to beg the woman, I beg. Ha! Say I beg. You know, say their marriage now next week. I beg. Make the man I beg. Not be if not be fault, not be he fault. I beg. So the woman say as he come look, the man they beg, say never do that kind of thing before. He don't know what to come over because that daughter so not be your own, you understand? So they beg the woman. As come they beg the woman and the woman come look IB and their marriage now next week. Then the woman come forgive the man. They come still do the marriage. Nah. If she just like that, she could dey shock the reason the thing. Whether waiting do na right thing, when it go ahead, go marry the man. You know? So the thing like so now you want to feel the it now. Where God just show you. For me, where God just show you who this man be at the beginning. You still go ahead, go marry that same man. That is, those people, are they really kidding me right now, some women? That is, marriage, must you marry? God show you person, he show you say, this man, if you marry and later, see what he go do. You don't know whether na the first time when they show his hand for that small pikin bomo, you don't know. You can't see go ahead, go marry that man. How you feel comfortable with that kind of man with your daughter for house? You don't even know whether na the first time when they do and be this one, you don't know. God, you know, so some women they take risk. Like seriously, you know. So when I see the video, I say, this woman they okay. A man show you who he be. God just let you cash him that day. You don't even know whether that's the first time. Now you dey fear to even carry that small pikin go hospital now for control. Because if you cannot go control, if it be say whether you don't even put a walking stick for the small pikin momona, you never know. Now you dey fear now. How you want to go hospital now? Some women. In fact, some women, they're supposed to just carry them like that. You can really flog them, really. Because if this woman, they okay. You know if you go ahead, go marry that kind man. Is she kidding me? Is she okay? God. When I said that video, I said, no, this thing they bother me ever since. Because I said, no, I must talk for this thing. I know it's not be me give the topic, but the thing really like... The thing they give me sleepless nights, you know. So now I say, no, I must talk for this thing. You understand? God forbid bad thing. May God not agree. And this short story now say I beg, man still tell my people. What did that woman do? It dey good for her to go ahead to marry that man. e dey good, abeg my people. God, some women dey take risk, really, they dey really take risk. Problem, my people, now let this small news I say make I give you now. You know, than the way the thing they pay me. Now see my they talk am. No problem. Take care, everybody. Bye. And share this video, please. And share this video so that make our women make that they receive sense. Marriage, you must not marry. You must not marry. When you see the type of man who you want marry to, now maybe they say, oh, when I beg God, they run. Oh, as I will get beg, you run. As I say, you don't see that stone, say they come from up like this. You say that stone, you see am say that stone, if you meet your eye, you go blind your eye. You run now. Me not blind them now. You understand me? So some people, they really take risk, you know. No problem, my people, And this small news I say make I tell you now. Wanna take care, and wanna subscribe and share this video, please, and share this video, please, please, please. Okay, take care, bye.